So much fertilizer on the ground out here.
There's a lot. We are out in our back pasture today where our goats are, with our little goat shelter that we built for them. And we're out here today because it is the day before Winter Storm Landon arrives here in southeast Michigan and dumps anywhere from 12 to 18 inches, I think, is what we've been seeing. And
I saw up to 20 inches on some forecasts.
yeah, 20, 21. I don't know what it's going to end up being. It could just be stupid. But the roof that we put on here was not designed for heavy snow loads. It can handle probably 6, 7 inches of snow, but not 12 or 18 or 21. So we need to reinforce this today to make it safe.
Okay.
I don't want it to like collapse on the goats. And
that would be awful, because then it gets like 9 degrees, like super, super cold after that.
Right.
To be out here in the freezing cold, deep, deep snow trying to repair a roof would not be fun.
Yep. So let's take you inside and show you kind of what our plan is. Oh, sorry, someone's going to the bathroom right now. The roof section is kind of like 2 different panels. There's this panel and this panel, and it's designed so that I can take it off. You all right? It's designed so we can take it off and move it. So the roof panels can come off. We can lift this entire cage, move it, harvest all of this compost that's down here. They're deep bedding for the winter. But it's basically like a 12-foot span from here all the way over to there, 10 foot maybe. So what I want to do is put a brace in right here today to kind of hold these 2 sections up. And it should be pretty easy, pretty quick. Yeah, it kind of smells like pee.
Well, yeah, getting down that deep.
I'm kind of worried that the goats are going to... Goats generally have a habit of destroying just about anything within reach. So I'm kind of worried that they were going to knock this thing over. So I put this nice plate up here at the top to distribute the weight, so it's not on one center piece. And then another piece down here, these are both treated. And what I'm going to do now is probably put a couple toenail screws in. That way if the goats decide, I don't like this anymore, I want it out of here, and they try to knock it down, it won't be so easy for them. This should do it. Do we have any more bedding in the barn for the goats?
No, I used the last one yesterday.
Oh, that's yesterday? Good.
Yeah.
I think what we're going to do is probably pause this video here. We'll pick back up tomorrow. We'll tell you how much snow we got. We'll clean up some of the snow, and then probably into Thursday as well, because it's basically supposed to snow like for the next 2 days. So we'll keep this video going until the snow stops. You want to drive us out? I'll get the gate.
Okay.
You can make me ride in the back?
Yeah, we'll go for a little ride.
You know what they call this, right?
No.
Can't say it on camera.
Oh, I don't know.
When the guy rides on the back? It's got a name.
Oh,
It's not kid friendly.
don't look it up. Oh dear, got him.
It's been snowing for about 48 hours now, maybe 40, something like that, because it didn't start snowing right away. And it kind of sucked like I thought. We did not get 18 inches of snow like we thought. We did not get 12 inches of snow. We got maybe seven or 8 maybe, which is fine, I guess, but it's like me and Rachel were talking yesterday, when it's cold, like it's like 20 degrees today and windy, so hopefully not too windy. When it's this cold, give us snow, you know, give us something fun to look at, something fun to play in. But let me flip you around. The goats over here, they're doing fine. There's like 2 inches of snow up on the roof. So what we did to fix that problem or countermeasure against all the heavy snow is perfect. There's some spots back there like by that pine tree. Well, there's like bare grass still, but then other spots where, you know, this is like 5 inches of snow. There's spots over here where there's a lot of drifting in places. It's been windy, but not like massive drifts. I mean, this is like 10 inches probably down here, maybe 8. But it's fun and it's beautiful. And I purposely not cleaned. I did some shoveling of the sidewalk and on the back deck here a little bit yesterday, just so it's not so much all at once. But I haven't done anything with my driveway yet. And it should be stopping. The snow should be stopping here pretty soon. So Rachel is in the house working on dinner for tonight, sweet potato gnocchi. We're filming another entire week's worth of meals for you guys. So she's working on that. So she's got the good camera. I got the GoPro. I'm gonna work on cleaning up some of the snow.
Such a fragile thing.
Hi.
I know. And with the winter comes the iceless snow. But I'm it all. My love, don't worry about the cold just yet. Trees haven't started to shed. Just feel the summer sun as it warms, I bet. I'm lying, and I'm lying when I say but I'm trying to shelter you from pain. My love, the seasons come and they go. But I hope
hope I'm presentable. I'm just about done. I have like one more pass I want to do. We always make one from like the little fenced in area of our backyard around to the garden shed and then back around to where the goats are. So when we got to take the goat hay and stuff like that, it's a lot easier. We got a little path we can walk down. And I really only do like one pass. I just turn it to a sharp angle and just clean all that, and then I'm done. I got to move the cars back up here and head in. My GoPro battery's almost dead. Rachel's probably got dinner just about done. So let's do this one last pass, and I will see you guys in the next video. Maybe not. The bottom layer is all ice.